Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel German with Siddhant. My name is Siddhant Miglani and I work as a German language teacher by profession. In this video, I'm going to explain you how to conjugate verbs in German. So let's begin. What is a verb? We use this grammar topic every day, even every minute in our daily conversations. But do we really use this grammatical structure properly in a given sentence? That's a big question mark for us. So let's go through its definition first. A verb is a word that indicates physical action, for example, to play, to dance, mental action, to think, to plan, and state of being, for example, to be, like I am, she is, we are, they are. Usage of German verbs in present tense. We use German verbs in present tense to describe current or future events, often with the time. The German verbs in the present tense are related to the events that are happening now or in the future, often related with time. Now the question arises how to conjugate German verbs. The majority of German verbs end with en. We have the German verb here, spielen, which means to play. We have read just now, almost every German verb ends with en. So here's the ending, en. There's a short process that we need to follow to conjugate a German verb. First of all, we have to discard en from the verb, that is spielen. So, after discarding en, the leftover word is spiel, which is the verb stem. I'm repeating this for you. If we discard en from the given verb, the leftover word, that is spiel, is known as verb stem. To conjugate German verbs, we add certain endings to the verb stem. We have the verb spielen, in which spiel is the verb stem. Now we are conjugating the verb with ich pronoun. First we have to write the verb stem here, that is spiel. Then E is the specific ending for the pronoun ich, which is further added to the verb stem, that is spiele. Ich spiele, which means I play. Then we have du pronoun. Again, the verb stem spiel, st is the ending for du pronoun, which is added to the verb stem. It becomes du spielst, which means you play. And the pronoun du is always used for informal conversations. Now we have the pronoun er. Again the same process, the verb stem spiel, the ending is t with the pronoun er, which is added to the verb stem. It becomes spielt, er spielt, he plays. Then again the verb stem spiel, ending is t, es spielt, it plays. Sie pronoun. The verb stem spiel, ending again t, added to the verb stem again. Sie spielt, which means she plays. Now we have the pronoun sie with capital S. The same thing again. The verb stem spiel, the ending is en with the pronoun capital Z. It becomes spielen, you play. The pronoun capital Z is always used for formal conversations. Now we have the pronoun wir. Verb stem spiel, en is the ending. It becomes spielen, we play. Then sie, same procedure again, spiel, verb stem, en is the ending. It becomes sie spielen, they play. Again we have sie with capital S, verb stem spiel, ending en, it becomes spielen. You all play. The pronoun capital Z is always used for formal conversations. Now we have the pronoun ihr. The verb stem spiel. The ending is T. It becomes spielt. You all play. The pronoun ihr is always used for informal conversations. Let's have a quick revision. We have the ending E with ish pronoun, so it becomes ich spiele, I play. Then we have du with ending st, du spielst, you play, always used for informal conversations. Then ending t, spielt, he plays. S, same ending t, es spielt, it plays. The pronoun sie, same ending t, sie spielt, which means she plays. The pronoun sie with capital S, ending en, sie spielen, which means you play, always used for formal conversations. Wir, ending en, wir spielen, we play. Sie, ending en again, sie spielen, they play. Again we have the pronoun sie with capital S, ending again en, sie spielen, you all play, always used for formal conversations. Last but not the least, the pronoun ihr, ending t, ihr spielt, you all play, always used for informal conversations. That's all for today. Verb conjugation is quite a lengthy topic, though I have tried to cover up the basics of it and would be covering as many as topics related to it. Thanks for watching my lesson. Goodbye.